So we're going to graph this piecewise function, and it's definitely a little bit different looking. So with this one, h of x, it equals a number. So we're actually just going to use dots. It's not going to be a line. So let's see if it equals, and if it's between, oh no, sorry, this is y. So it is actually going to be a line. I'm just fibbing to you. So we're going to have open dot because it's negative 2.5 is less than x. So we're going to go over to negative 2.5, and oh, it is letting me go halfway, so perfect. 2.5, and that's negative 1 for y. Because remember, that's what h of x means. It's the y value. So I'm going to have an open dot here. This is 2.5 and negative 1. And then it's going to be a closed dot for the other part of that. So now it's negative 1.5, like that. So negative 1.5 is still negative 1. I'm going to connect these like that. Oops. Let's go undo. Let's connect. Connect. Why is it not letting me connect the two? There we go. I don't know why it was going in between there. I thought I was like right on top. All right, and now we have negative 1.5 again, and 0. So I'm right on top of the x-axis for 0, but I need to go over to negative 1.5 for x, and it's an open dot because it's less than, and then I have a closed dot for negative half, or negative 0.5, and it's still on 0. So if you see, I'm creating these little pieces. And so this is definitely a piecewise function, but it's even specialer. It's called a step function because as I step over here, so if you notice, this would break the function rule if I go through both these points, but one's solid and one's open. So it does not break the rule because I'm only actually going through one solution. The open dot means it's not a solution. So the next one we have 1. So we're going to go up here to 1, and I have negative half and then positive half. I'm just going to go ahead and keep going here. So I have positive half for 2 and 1/2. Oops, that guy should be a solid dot. And then for 1.5, I'm going to go up to 3, and then I think 2.5. Oops, again, darn it, solid dot. Okay, let's connect all of these guys. So they're not connected in a single line. It's a bunch of different pieces. So we're piecing this together. And this one's specifically called the step function. It kind of looks like steps, right? Like I could walk up and down the steps here. But each one, so from here to here, the function equals negative 1 because it's negative 1 here. From this, for these two pieces, if it's in this interval, then it equals 0. If it's in this interval, it equals 1. If it's in this interval, it equals 2. So it's just different pieces, different scenarios, or different parts of the function that equal different things. So